Welcome to New Sutras Casa, and today we're going to make digestive bitters. It's a very easy recipe. I have a lot in my garden. I literally have citruses all over the place. I'm inviting you to check out how I'm preparing my medicine. A beautiful grapefruits. Use a little bit of rosemary. There is also a beautiful chocolate mint. I will be using the peel of tangerines. I already dried it out. And basically here on the right side, I'm showing you that I just peeled my tangerines, cut them, and that's how they are drying on the sun. So about 2 days we need to dry them out, and then the rest of the preparation is extremely easy. So let's get right into it. And the digestive bitters is the medicine, ancient medicine that you can use to help your digestion, to help your metabolism, also to help your elimination processes. These ones are ready. Basically they need to be crunchy. I would recommend to have them on the sun for a couple of days. It will be plenty. Okay, so this is going to be my cooking station for digestive bitters. We would need the jars, and I will give you a secret. I bought this for $1.50 in Dollar Tree store. They usually cost way more expensive on other websites, and this is perfect size. And also you need the jar that you can close very tightly this way. Then we're going to need a organic apple cider vinegar. Step number 1 here is we're going to put the dry peel right here in a jar. Another thing that why you need to dry the peel, because the sun, first of all, the sun gives it incredible sun energy, and the second, it eliminates that extra bitterness out of it. Perfect. And now we're going to simply put a couple, I have the dry mint. You can also put a fresh mint if you want, and I also have a flowers, and I just would love to sprinkle a couple. These I'm gonna keep for my other recipes, so I put just a little bit, and we're going to shake the vinegar because the goodness is on the bottom. And magic moment, so you just put the vinegar right in, and you gotta close the peel completely. Needs to close it fully. So dip the rest inside, and it is that simple. Now this concoction needs to be stored. We need to close it nice and tight, and we're gonna be storing it from 2 to 4 weeks in a dark place. Afterwards, just strain it, and you can add a little bit of honey, and the digestive bitter is ready. It is that simple. Enjoy your digestive bitters. Like this video, follow my channel. It's gonna be a lot of goodness about well-being, yoga, travel, everything about the art of living. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next episode of New Sutras Casa. My name is Paula Rubis. I'm CEO of New Sutras. Also feel free to check the ebooks and beautiful courses that I'm always sharing with you all in the links down below. Stay blessed and healthy. Namaste.